Hey everyone, this is Steve. I just want to record a really short video to kind of explain what's going on, and I explain in more detail in the text below. But here's the deal. There's bad news and good news. The bad news is I got behind in just and I'm behind in setting up a survey for setting up the usability testing that's going to happen in class that's coming up pretty soon. So I'm doing it now. But the good news is that when I was looking at the schedule for things, I also realized that we're at this place where we now have, I forgot to put in stuff to do for one of the days. So long story short, the good news is a bank favor in our error or your error, your favor. And so I've expanded the amount of time that I'm giving you to just work on the website and the social media analysis from one half of a week to a full week. So next week, the main activity that you're going to have is working on finishing up the last two big projects of the semester. The other activity that you need to do is fill out this survey. This is a survey where I'm asking you to sign up for times to participate in either a Zoom conference or a face-to-face conference with one or two of your peers to talk about your website. Okay, so the details are in the schedule or in the survey itself. So take a look at that. But the long and the short of it is I've got a whole bunch of different times and dates spread out from the 24th until I think the 27th of March. And what you want to do is find for the Zoom session one an hour that select all the hours that you could possibly meet with somebody over Zoom to talk about your website. If you are on campus and willing and able to do this face to face, then select a time from that part of the survey as well. If you can't do it and you can only do it on Zoom, that's okay. Um, I insist on it being if the face-to-face ones being on campus though, because I don't want you meeting at some bar or something like that because I don't want to get in trouble and you don't want to get in trouble. But any place on campus like Prairie Herald or the library or the student center or wherever, if that's what you want to do. Otherwise, you'll meet via Zoom. But do fill out the survey. Fill out the survey as soon as you can, certainly by Tuesday, March 18th, so I can figure out who is going to go with whom to work on the usability testing. Okay, thanks. See you online.